Hi, I'm Delilah and this is Juliet. Why did the unicorn pee across the road?
I don't know.
To get to the toilet.
Oh. Well, that's quite handy because we're going to make some unicorn poos, aren't we? So should we get started?
Yeah.
So we've got some egg whites.
We got some flour.
We've got some sugar.
Sugar?
So that's the perfect recipe for meringue. Have you made it before?
No.
Well, it's very easy. Ideally, if you've got one of these electric whisks, because it takes quite a lot of whisking. So we're going to whisk up our egg whites till they're really stiff, and then we're going to start to add our sugar. So we start low to start with, and then we'll turn up the power.
And go high.
Yeah. Do you want to have a go?
Okay.
That's it. That's perfect. I'm going to make it go even faster. Look, it's going all bubbly. That's right, because it's getting all the air in. We need to get it so it's really stiff, so that's nearly ready, but we need to get it to hold its shape, so we'll do it a bit more. And do you know the trick with meringue? If it's done, you can do this.
No, you're not.
Yeah, so that's done. So it's done. So do you want to put 2 clumps of sugar in there? Maybe even a bit more. That's it. And now we're going to whisk it until it's just mixed in. 2 more spoons.
Yeah.
Be careful, just put it on the sides. 1. Perfect. Look at that, it's coming on. 2 more spoons, I think. That's it. It's really shiny now.
Then it's going to really hold shape.
Yeah.
It's like whipped cream.
It is just like whipped cream, isn't it?
Yeah.
Put it all in the side. That's perfect. Think that looks done?
Yeah.
Perfect, look at that, and it's nice and stiff, look at that. So we want to make our poos, because they're a unicorn, we want to make them all rainbowy, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we've got a really clever way to do that. We've got some food colouring and some paint brushes. Got a piping bag with a large nozzle, and we've turned it inside out. We're going to paint our colours in stripes all around, and then we're going to fill it up. So should I show you how to do one, and then you can do another colour? So we just need to go like this and just paint it on the bag in a kind of fat stripe.
It's like painting a plastic bag.
It is like painting a plastic bag because we're painting a plastic bag. So I'll hold my arm like that and you can do the painting. Should we do yellow next? And then we'll just do the pink one. So just in the middle, perfect. That looks nice and rainbow, doesn't it? You have to turn your bag inside that way. It is a bit tricky because there's lots of colouring. I'm going to fill this up with the meringue. Plop in. We're going to get one of these special clips that we use. Look, I've got blue everywhere. Ready to pipe our poos. What we've done, we've drawn little circles on our baking paper already, so we can have poos all the same size. So we'll turn it upside down. Do you remember how we did our piping before? So we don't try and pipe it like this, because if we do that, we're not going to have a nice poo, we're going to have a splat. We want a nice poo, don't we? Imagining you're like a ice cream machine. Round. There you go. What's that noise?
No.
Oh dear, that poo's a little bit sad, isn't it, that one? Go in a circle first and then build up. So have another go. That one's a bit funny, isn't it? It is tricky, this one. Let's just spin it round. Whoosh. That's quite a big one, isn't it?
What's that noise? Is it you?
Is it you?
No.
So we're going to put these in the oven and we're going to bake them until they're all nice and crisp and dry. And when they're all dry and hard, we can decorate them, put funny faces on. Okay, let's pop them in. So these are all done and all cooked. Who's that? Hello, has he got a name?
No.
Okay, we'll just call him Pooh. So I think we should turn these into unicorn poos with funny faces now, do you? Yeah. He can stand over there and watch what we do. Okay, so we've got our meringues all cooled down. We've got a little bit of icing that we're going to use to stick our eyes on. And we've got a little bit of white and a little bit of black icing. So we're going to make some little balls for the eyes. So let's start off by taking a little bit like this just a really small bit, and then break it in half. And I'm going to make one ball and another ball, and then just kind of squeeze them between my fingers like that. I could do with some icing sugar because it's a bit sticky. Let's use a bit of this. Bum, bum, bum. And then when you've got your white bits, you can put the black bits in the middle, so you get an even smaller bit. Break it in half and make a small ball and just flatten it like that. And just pop them like that. That's it. And then put that one on there. That's it. Brilliant. I think we've got enough now. Yeah. And now we can do them some funny little mouths. For the mouths, I just get a little bit and I make it into a ball. So it's a bit bigger than the eyes, and then just flatten it. And I'm just going to pinch it at the sides and make a little mouth like that. Hello. Let's do a surprised one. I've got a little bit of this, so you just need to put 2 dots. 1, 2 like that. And then you get your eyes and you do this one like that. Boom. So for the mouth, I'm just putting a blob there. Hello, Delilah. They're good, aren't they? Look, we've got all different sorts of poos. We've got a happy poo. Surprise poo. We've got a sneezy poo. Hello. Hello. How are you today?
Bad.
Shall we see if we taste nice?
Yes.
Mmm. Yummy. They are delicious. Well done, Delilah. That's good work. Hope you enjoyed the video, everyone. Please check out BBC Good Food YouTube for more videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye.